Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by recognizing a key fact. Font awesome icons are glyphs in a font, so the only predictable way to increase their size is to change font size. First, make sure the library is loaded, then inspect the specific I or FA element. Apply a CSS rule to that selector, for example font size, 24px, and save. Once done, you'll see the icon scale cleanly because you are altering the typographic size rather than an image property. You continue by encapsulating size in CSS, make a reusable class like icon LG font size, 2rem, and apply it to any eye or span with the font awesome class. This keeps markup clean, and once done, switching sizes is simple. You can also use inline styles for quick debugging, but prefer classes for maintainability. Use rem when you want responsiveness tied to root size, or px for exact control. This is how you control the icon. You finish by validating across pages. Ensure no other CSS overrides your font size. Increase selector specificity or, sparingly, use. Important. Once done, verify vertical align and line height so the larger icon sits correctly with text. Note Y transform. Scale is not the preferred solution. It visually enlarges but doesn't change typographic metrics, which can break alignment and accessibility. If things go wrong, inspect computed styles to find conflicting font size rules and adjust specificity accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.